Ayan, medyo nagtitikwasan na naman yung mga buhok natin sa gilid.
Oh,
at medyo
no!
mahaba na naman ang buhok ko sa itaas. At parang kailangan ko nang i-meet ang barbero dito sa loob ng Barko. Hi guys! Welcome back to the vlog. It's Jello here, friendly neighbor Seaman. And for today's video, magpapasama ako sa inyo ngayon na i-meet yung magugupit ng aking buhok. Opo, magpapagupit tayo ng buhok ngayon. Alam nyo ba guys, maraming crew members on board ang merong mga extra skills bukod pa dun sa kanilang original job descriptions. Meron ditong marunong maggupit, meron ditong marunong maghilot at kung ano-ano pa. Although here on board, meron tayong salon, meron tayong spa na for the guests and also offers services for the crew on a discounted price, we prefer na sa mga regular crew members tayo magpagupit or magpahilot kasi aside sa mas mura, we want to help them also to increase their income. And aside from that, we also want them to nurture their skills. Yun. Isa rin sa magagawin natin today habang nagpapagupit, tatanungin natin yung barbero natin ng mga ilang questions kagaya ng happy ba siya sa pagiging seaman, hindi ba niya nire-regret ang pagiging seaman, or kung ano ba yung mga downsides, ano ba yung mga happiest moments niya being as a seaman, ano ba yung mga pagsubok na pagdaanan niya at paano niya ito na-overcome. Pero bago ang lahat, kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe sa channel na to, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button followed by the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga bago nating videos. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako magpagupit.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, andito tayo sa staircase 43 kung saan dito natin i-meet yung magugupit ng aking buhok. So wala pa siya, medyo hintayin na natin siya ng konti, alright?
A few moments later.
Alright guys, finally he's here and he's the one who's going to cut hair tonight. He's Mr. Jose from Dominican Republic. Yeah. And Kuya, please make me handsome, ha? Otherwise, tomorrow I will not go to work, ha?
I will do magic.
Alright.
What? Are you making a video that how
Yeah.
someone cut your hair?
Yes. Say hi.
Cruise out tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll be there tomorrow, that's for sure.
Alright, let's rock and roll.
Okay, while he's cutting my hair, I'm going to ask him some questions.
Maybe I don't know the answer.
Don't worry, it's not math.
Sure enough? Come on.
Huh?
Sure enough? Come on.
What do you mean?
Is good this side, this level, or what do you want, or do you want more shorter?
Yeah, shorter.
More than this? Guys, I was saying you guys.
And also make it high. I mean, make it like up here.
It's gonna be there, don't worry. When it's faded, you need to do it by layer.
Ah, I see. Well, I only hope after this video, I won't bleed my nose for talking so much English with you. Okay, my first question. If you're going to choose a career other than being a seaman or a seafarer, what will it be and why?
It's not gonna be bad.
Of course, no?
No?
And what will it be? If you're going to have a different career other than being a seafarer, what will it be?
Maybe teacher.
Which one?
Teacher. Professor.
Teacher, professor, why?
I'm very good.
You're good at teaching?
Yeah.
You know me also, actually that's my my future goal. If for example I won't be doing ship anymore, I plan to take my master's degree also and to
Hindi
become a
totoo
teacher
yan.
or professor.
Bola lang yan.
Why do you have do you have a family member who's teacher?
My house?
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's why it runs from the family.
The other one can be how can I say that? Construction, doctor,
Contractor of
Yeah.
what?
house.
You want to be
Because
like,
my father
like
already-
engineer,
My father is already
contractor of the house, the one who builds the house.
yes, my father.
That's why.
So he teach me just a little bit. I know the basic.
Mhm.
Just in case I want to do
Switch
something.
careers.
Yeah, I have a little bit knowledge about this one. Even my uncle,
Yeah.
almost all of them do this one.
So it's like a business.
It's like
So
a
that's
business.
your business back home.
Yes,
It's good, huh?
but I don't like it because it's you need to work hard.
Yeah, that's true.
But I have my backup plan already, so my project is going well.
Mhm.
So let's see what happens after 3 more contracts.
Oh. Okay, my next question. What do you like the most for being a seaman? Like being a seafarer, what do you like the most?
I can travel for free.
Travel for free?
For sure, it's travel for free.
Mm-hmm.
And
Like everybody, no?
yeah, I know. You can share with different nationality, culture, so you can learn from there.
Yeah. Knowing our job, but that's one of the advantages of working on board, no? You get to see places while working, you know?
Yeah.
Baby, what's up?
So you're also married?
Yes.
How do you have kids?
2.
Two, oh, same like me.
I have 2 kids.
How? One is,
My older son is 15 already.
wow,
Yes.
you already have a teenager.
Yeah, my baby girl is gonna be 3 years old in this coming month.
3.
Yeah. July
So,
3.
a boy and a girl.
Yes, I have the couple already.
Oh my God. Do you plan to have another one?
No,
Why not?
no more.
Enough.
Enough. Children is very expensive now.
I know. The meal, the education, no?
The meal is no problem, the education is the problem.
Yeah. Sending them to school is expensive now, no?
Yes, the meal is nothing. The problem is the education now, especially in my country.
In Dominica, it's also expensive.
Yeah.
The Philippines also, man. It's also expensive.
Oh my God. It's getting harder and harder every single day to get a good education to the kids. Even if you are professional, it doesn't guarantee you're gonna get a good job.
Really?
Yeah. You need to have connection to the government.
So you can get a good job.
Yeah.
Well, in the Philippines, it's not like that much, but you know, we always try to finish our studies so we can get a good job. But you know, I think it's better that when you finish your study, instead of finding a job, try to make a business, no? What do you think?
If you want to grow up in both sides, personally, like a businessman, you need to take a risk.
Yeah.
You need to do your own business because otherwise, always gonna be employed to someone else. You know, these people get rich every single day.
How old are you now, if you don't mind me asking?
38.
38?
Yeah.
Still young. Anyway, you know, being on board is not so difficult. It's not so easy. Sometimes people only see that, you know, we're happy when they see pictures, when we go to places, no? But the behind the scenes, that's what they do not know.
Because we don't show the reality, we just show them we want today can see.
Yeah. If they don't know that what we have here is each other, no?
Yeah, it's true. Especially when you have family. Sometimes, you know, one of those days you want to say, fuck, I want to go home, I want to give up, I want to leave everything behind. Fuck off all the boss, I don't care about what they say. Sometimes like that. One of those days. But when you make video call to your family, you say, I'm feel like that or like this, they told you know, just keep focus, keep going, and finish your contract. We're gonna be working for you.
Yeah. Even me like that, no? Every time I join the ship nowadays, my first month is always like that. Like I don't want to stay anymore. Like I want to resign. Like I want to go home right away.
It happened to me many times already.
Especially when you think about your kids.
Yeah.
And then again, as parents, we need to make little sacrifices or some sacrifices for our kids. Because we know that if we work in the country where we came from, we will not earn as much as we have here, right?
Hey bro, what's up? Fancy. Especially when I call my wife, and my baby got talk to me and she said, my daddy's not coming, my daddy doesn't love me. Jesus Christ. How would you say that?
Yeah.
Because she said to my wife, Daddy's coming tomorrow, Daddy's coming tomorrow. I said, how do you say I'm coming tomorrow?
If she misses you a lot, no?
Everywhere I go, we went together. I spent almost 3.5 months vacation. So everywhere I go, I take care of her with me.
Okay, my next question. Of all of the nationalities here on board, who do you like the most and why? You work with a lot of crew members already, right?
Yeah.
So who among the nationalities on board that we have you like the most to work with or to be friends with?
It's not about who like more. Because I don't have any preference, you know?
Doesn't really matter.
I don't have any preference, but for example, this is very hard for me because I'm the only Dominican on board.
Yeah, here?
Yeah, I'm the only one. So when I see, especially when I see people that they speak the same language, like me, Spanish,
Spanish?
I feel, you know, I'm like comfortable, you know, I say,
Yeah.
oh, these people, I can talk to them.
Yeah. Freely.
Yeah.
Easier.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you know, here it's the same because you need to take care of it by yourself.
Yeah, that's true.
Nobody care about what happened to you.
That's so cool. You know, I remember my supervisor used to tell me before, you came here alone, you will go home alone.
Alone, yeah.
Yeah,
That's true.
So that's the first thing you have to remember is to take care of yourself.
Even if you have some problem, you know, sometimes it's good to talk, but sometimes it's better you keep this with you because you don't know what these people can spread.
Yeah.
Whatever you say in confidence, maybe they will
Say it.
they will share to another
Yeah.
one. So sometimes you don't want nobody to know what happened to you. Like I told you, I don't have any
Like really close friends.
favoritism. I don't have it, you know. For me, everybody, I'm this kind of person. I try everybody are the same. I respect everybody. It doesn't matter which nationality, which color you are. For me, no problem. I respect everybody, so everybody should be able to respect me as well.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, next question. What is your happiest moment on board?
Sign off day.
Huh?
When I
I think that's everybody's favorite moment, no? Our happiest moment on board.
Sign off day.
When you see your luggage in the crates, no?
yeah.
In the crates, and then you make the supervisor sign your papers, no?
Sign off day.
Best feeling ever, no?
To be honest.
I think that's everybody's favorite day or the most happiest day, no?
When you see salary as well, it's good.
Yeah, but
But-
no, nothing compares when you know.
When you go, you know, oh my God. Everybody like this one. This sign off day is the
Of
best.
course. And of course, if you have the most happiest moment, when is your most difficult time?
When I have more money, I cannot go out.
When you have done what?
IBM.
Port money.
Yeah, IBM. Especially in night sport.
So you said a while ago, you plan to stay at least 3 more years?
Yeah.
3 more years on board?
Yeah.
So 3 contracts, 3 more contracts. Then after that, you're gonna do business or you're gonna study again to become a teacher.
My goal is my business first.
Also, the main goal is the business.
Hello all guys, welcome to my vlog.
It's not your love.
A day in life.
Okay, my next question is, what is the greatest lesson you've learned here on board?
What is what?
The greatest lesson you've learned here on board.
How to say
The greatest thing, you know? The best thing you've learned here on board. It's deep, no?
No, this one is easy. Family.
Family.
Yes, man. You really meet them and you really appreciate what you have at home.
That's so true.
You
Family.
say, wow, this is my family. This is I have this. And then, family is the best. Yeah, you say, this is my one advice. Everyone who has family, take care of them.
You know, when I'm back home, I rarely go out of the house. Because
Hindi
I
totoo
wanna
yan.
make sure I spend
Bola lang yan.
with my kids, with my wife, you know. Because, I don't know, for some reason, whenever you're back home, the time is flies so fast, no?
Yes.
Unlike when you're here,
It's like never.
yeah, it's like 1 month is like 3 months.
3 months.
Oh my god.
I feel the same.
You know, I usually say to some of the single person who are here on board, no, it's going to be different when you have a kid, when you have a wife. No, when you're single and you're doing cruise ship or you're working on a cruise ship, it's entirely different. And it's going to be more different if you have a kid and if you have a wife.
Yes.
You know, because at that time you only think about yourself, but then again, if you have a wife and a kid,
You just think about them.
yeah, and it's like every time you you ride on a plane, you know, it's getting harder and harder each year you join.
I'm totally agree because that happened to me in this contract. When I reached in New Orleans, I made video call from the airport, from the terminal. And my baby girl, when she saw me behind the phone, the screen, she started crying like no tomorrow. She said, Daddy, come here. What are you doing there? I said, Jesus Christ. So in the middle of the airport, I started crying like no tomorrow. Everybody was looking at me like, huh? What happened to this guy? So I decided to handle. I told my wife, okay, I will call you later on. I cannot talk. Because I feel so bad at this moment, you know.
Yeah.
What happened to you when you have a kid? And you are close to your kids, man.
Yeah. You know, before I started working on board, I used to say, I think working on the ship is like my lifetime career.
dreaming?
After 4 contracts, then I realized, no, this is not supposed to be like this. You know, it's really different. You know, it's like something inside you is missing.
Something is
Like
missing.
something inside you is, you know,
You feel empty.
yeah, empty. You know, that's why I said maybe I will also, you know, give myself a limit until when should I do this like that. Because it's really hard to be away from the family. Our work on board here is not really difficult actually, right? The thing that makes our job here difficult is being away from the family for so long.
That's true. I agree.
How about
Just
that?
let me know. What do you think?
But
Yeah, it's good.
Do you want me to make more sorry on top? Or is good enough?
Just cut the bangs, the curly one. But my next question is, how do you deal with homesickness?
So I spend my time watching movie. This year I left my laptop and DJ as well at the crew bar. So
You do DJ too?
yeah,
Oh God.
but no this
You're
contract.
multi-talented, huh?
I will not do a this contract.
But they're looking for DJ, no?
I know. I'm running my business. I'm gonna take care of my business.
If you want a good contract, get a girlfriend or boyfriend.
If he say,
If you have
I
someone,
don't say anything.
If you want to have a good contract, you're a boy, get a girlfriend, and the time will pass easily.
very, very
The
fast.
contract will be happy, no matter how many hours you work, you will be happy.
But that only applies to single people, no?
It doesn't, it depends.
Mami, si tú ves este video, tú sabes que yo no hago nada malo. I said to my wife, if in case she see this video, I don't do anything wrong on board. I behave myself.
He's innocent.
I'm not innocent, but she knows I behave myself. Always. I don't do nothing wrong, huh? I don't play for food, baby. I love you so much. You are the apple of my eyes.
Okay, finally, last question. What can you advise to those people who are planning to work on a ship?
This one is hard.
Right? What can you say to those people who are planning to? I mean, you know, a lot of people.
Don't come.
They used to say, no, you're very lucky, you're there already, earning money, this
No,
and that.
if you want to try this one, my advice is come. You will see the reality, what happened on board, and after that, you will miss your family right now tomorrow. No, everybody, like I told you, my advice, if you want to try, just try it. You will see if you like it or if you don't like it. This one is not like it, this is not like look like it.
Yeah. And you know, I believe being a seafarer is not for everybody, no? It's
Yeah,
not for
that's right.
everybody. Because it will really take a really strong heart to be here.
But I don't like to say no to no one. If you want to try, just come on board, try it, and you will see what is the real life about, how we work, what we do. So it's done.
It's done. Perfect. You did it right at the first time, huh?
You show me the picture, what I saw in the picture, this one I put.
Yun. Perfect. Very nice. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you Jose for making me
No problem.
I can go.
I do magic.
I can go to work tomorrow.
Oscar.
Because if you make me pangit, probably I will not work tomorrow.
See you.
Okay guys, if you haven't subscribed to this video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, followed by the notification bell so you'll be updated with our next videos. Thank you guys, see you next time.